影分身の術
Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and this video we will be looking at WalletConnect. WalletConnect is the official 67th project on the Binance Launchpool, which is really exciting because this is one of its kinds, let me tell you. And so this video, I will be looking at what is WalletConnect, answering some of your questions that you're having right now. Hey, does it really need a token? Simple answer is yes, but we'll look into that in a little bit. The third thing we're going to be looking at is how to join the WalletConnect Binance Launchpool. And the final thing, the fourth thing, is the predicting the price of the WCT token after listed on Binance. Let's go. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Ninjas and use our Binance referral link for Launchpool for 20% off of the trading fees for life. Thank you very much. First, we got to understand what WalletConnect is. To do that, I suggest you to go to the Binance research paper on WalletConnect. I will leave the link down in the description as well so you can check it out. And so first of all, WalletConnect enables users, wallets, and dApps to connect and transact seamlessly. Now, if you've been in crypto for long enough, then I think you probably know what WalletConnect is, right? Whenever you log into a dApp, it always asks you to, hey, if you want to connect with your MetaMask, Backpack, Trust Wallet, or there's another option called WalletConnect, where you can connect different amount of dApps to different kinds of wallets. There is one major thing that people misunderstand about WalletConnect. That is, WalletConnect, it is not a wallet itself, because the WalletConnect is not a wallet, it is a network, alright? A decentralized infrastructure for wallets to connect to apps on any blockchain. This service is provided across all blockchains and platforms to enable the best user experience on-chain without limitations to user preferences. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I think that answers your question. Does it really need a token because it's a wallet? Does a wallet need a token? Well, the answer is no. A wallet, personally, I don't think it needs a token, but WalletConnect, it's not a wallet. It is a decentralized infrastructure of networks to connect wallets to any dApps, okay? And again, think of it as like a bridge, all right? Bridging wallets to apps. And if you want to secure the bridge, a decentralized infrastructure, well, you need, look at that, right? Node operators, okay? And obviously, if you want node operators and decentralization staking, you need a token. So in depth, right, the solution provided, or the WalletConnect network, can be broken down into three major parts of the network, which is distributed between multiple node operators, look at that, right, to relay messages, acting as a bridge, right, to relay messages between them. The SDK, which provide an easy developer experience. This SDK allows people or any developers to be onboarding their wallet or dApp to connect multiple wallets or dApps like seamlessly, right? And the standards which WalletConnect has led to making all apps, wallets, and chains compatible. So the current use cases for the WCT token are three, all right? Staking, obviously, for node operators, stake to participate in the network, and token holders can stake to secure the network and participate in governance. The second thing is governance participation. The token holders can vote on protocols proposals and changes to the network, whatever. And the third thing is performance-based rewards for nodes and wallets. Nodes and wallets earn a WCT token based on uptime, connections processed, and service quality metrics. So it's just similar to how staking would work. And there are also some planned and potential future use cases for the WCT token, and that is network fee payments. So I think that means, in the future when we have this token, WalletConnect can actually allow us to use their token to pay for some of the network fee, like on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Not so sure why we would need to do that. Except, maybe they have like a discount if we use their token, then that'll be amazing, right? Incentivizing community-driven UX improvements. Now, the next potential use case is the seasonal wallet selection voting. Now, I think this is like a governance stuff, so like they can come out and say, hey, what wallets should we add next, and the community can vote on, so basic. The fourth potential use case is the beta testing program access. So probably this is like for developers, probably, testing new apps or new wallets or whatever, right? Early access partnerships with apps, and then staking for participation in app certified program, governance of WalletConnect certified program criteria. Now, a lot of use cases in the pipeline but we have to see after the token is released, and their plans with that as well. The WalletConnect network provides a high throughput and low latency global distributed network that relies on encrypted messages across different clients. So yeah, they need a decentralized network to protect our data and whatnot. These clients, which are specifically apps and wallets, are able to interface to create a session, expose wallet accounts, and sign transactions privately, of course. The network architecture at high level consists of gateway nodes, which are able to handle the load balancing and routing of these messages, and service nodes, which are operated by 16 different entities globally, are able to take these messages and serve them in real time. Okay, so again, it's all about the node operating thing. The next thing about the WCT token is the fundraising. So only issued token warrants to investors during 3 financing rounds: February 2022, October 2022, and 2024. Token warrants were fulfilled by WalletConnect Limited in November 2024. Currently, 4 token sale rounds are conducted and close to completion. Right, private rounds, about 10 million WCT token to be sold to angels and institutional investors. Only 1.25 million WCT token will be subject to a 4-year lockup with 1-year cliff. The remainder are not subject to lockup schedule. So that is okay. So that is interesting. So why is it that only 1.25 million tokens are locked and the remaining are not locked? I'm not so sure. Like, what kind of deals are they working on? You know what I mean? But on a grand scheme of things, I don't think that these are a lot of tokens. You know what I mean? I mean, it's only like 8.75, let's call it 9 million tokens being unlocked in TGE, and that's not a big deal at all because the maximum token supply is like 1 billion tokens. You know what I mean? So it's like 0.8%. Yeah, 0.8% and less than 1%. So I don't think that's as big of an issue. The bid gets sold, 20 million WCT token, not subject to lockup schedule. So that's for the people, I believe. So that's like like a 2%. And then coin list sale, about 20 million tokens, not subject to lockup schedule. Interesting. So about 4.8 tokens percent, 4.8% not locked. Eco private sale as well, so 2.5 million WCT token sold to angels investors. We don't know if it's going to be locked or not. I don't think it's going to be locked. So yeah, this is the announcement of token sales. You can check it out. The circulating and total supply data. Look at that. At the moment of writing, all of total supply 1 billion is on Optimism Minute. Interesting choice. The circulating supply is expected to hit 186.2 million, about 18.6% at transferability. Okay, so about 18.6% at TGE to be unlocked. This is a token distribution, by the way, and it is probably one of the most sophisticated token distributions that I've seen because they do have a lot of categories, right? First of all, is the public sale, 4%, and then we have the private sale of 1%, and then the token warrants, 11.25%, protocol development, 7%, seasonal airdrops, that's perfect, 13.5%, because they do have airdrop season 1, and I think they're going to be having more seasons in the future, right? And then the Binance user, about 5%, Foundation Treasury, 20%, market makers, 2.2%, the team, 18.5%, quite a lot. The reward pool is 17.5%, I believe, for staking, and this is the token release schedule. As you can see, at the TGE date, that's going to be around 18.6%, right, being released, and only after, I believe, 6 months, yes, 6 months, there's going to be a new rounds of token being released, and it's going to climb up real fast to about 35%, all the way to 100% after 4 years. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, after 3 years. Okay. And yeah, I don't have to, explain too much about WalletConnect and what it does. We've been using it every day. We're very much familiar with it. Now, the next part we're going to be looking at is how to join the Binance Launchpool of WalletConnect, because you only have just a few days left to join by the time I'm making this video, right? So again, if you want to join the WCT Launchpool, use the link in the description or in the chat for, again, 20% off of the trading fees. Yeah, so we have 3 pools: the BNB pool, the FDUSD, and the USDC pool. My experience with recent launch pools is that if you have like $1,000 for 3 days, you probably earn like $20-$30. Okay, so I mean, it's not a lot of money, but I mean, it's enough for a few meals, I guess, free money. So yeah, go ahead and join it. Yeah, 3 days left, so go ahead, guys. And the last part we're going to be looking at is the price prediction of the WalletConnect token, all right, the WCT token. On pre-markets right now, the price for WalletConnect token is around $400 to $430 million in FDV. Personally, I think this number is a little bit low, right? Again, WalletConnect is one of the OGs in the market. They have a big team, they have a big product, they have large user base, and they'll launch on Binance. There is no way for them to be listed at around $400 million. Such a loser, FDV, you know what I mean? Like, if you look at recent launch pools from Binance, you're gonna see that they'll launch at around $500, $700, $800 million to $1 billion dollars in FDV, right? So I think WalletConnect's FDV after on Binance, first of all, the bearish case is going to be $400 to about $450 million in FDV, making the price 40 to 45 cents. The bull case is going to be $1 billion in FDV, which make the price of WalletConnect to be $1. And the middle case, as always, I think is going to be at around $700 to about $800 million in FDV, which makes the price of one WCT token to be 70 to 80 cents. And that's my video about WalletConnect token, the WCT token, the 67th project on the Binance Launchpool. We talked about what it is, and we talked about how to join the Binance Launchpool, as well as predicting the price of WalletConnect token. Personally, I think it's going to be at around 70 to 80 cents. Let me know what you guys think about my price prediction down in the comments. If you like the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for the best crypto content, and use our referral links for Binance for 20% off of the trading fees for life. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in our next one. Delia.